Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to make a homemade texture paste with just three ingredients: baking soda, school glue and water. And then we will be making an abstract painting with the texture paste that we are going to be making. So first off, we will mix equal quantities of baking soda and school glue and mix together without forming any lumps. Make sure to mix very well to make it into a smooth texture, and then you can add a tiny bit of water to get to the consistency that you like to paint. I usually add a couple of drops or a little bit of water. Then the next step, we are going to be applying the texture paste to a canvas panel. I usually practice my texture painting first on a canvas panel because it's very inexpensive to practice. And I also use inexpensive brushes to apply the texture paste, because if you apply with a good quality brush, the brush may get ruined sometimes. Make sure to apply the paste all over the canvas. And if you're going to be selling your artwork, I think I would avoid homemade texture paste. In that case, you can buy the Liquitex modeling paste if you're going to be selling your artwork. But for practice sessions, homemade texture paste is good. As you can see, with the palette knife or any kitchen knife, it's easy to apply textures on the canvas. Then I used comb to create a spiral texture like this. And once you apply the texture, leave it for drying up to 4 to 5 hours before you apply the acrylic paint, because the texture has to be completely dry before applying. It's up to your imagination. You can create any texture you want using any tools or templates that you may have at home. For this painting, I'm using just the palette knife and comb. And I'm applying the comb again to create another spiral texture at the bottom. We are going to start with coloring of this painting. I'm using colors ultramarine blue, black and gold, metallic gold paint. You could use any brand that you have at home. And with a brush you apply the blue and black mix. I mixed blue and black and then to create a navy blue color, and then I'm going to be applying on this texture. Make sure to add little water also. If it is too dry, you can add some water in the paint and then apply it. you just let this layer dry for 2 to 3 hours before applying the gold paint over it. If you like to know how to sell your artwork on Etsy, how to list your painting on Etsy, I have another tutorial on how to do that. You could check out my link on that video. Etsy is a very good platform to sell artwork, and I have been selling consistently for since 2017, and I already have about 500 sales between 2 to 3 Etsy shops that I have, and the links are in the description box. You could check it out. Mainly I make abstract paintings in one of my Etsy shops, and in the other Etsy shop I make digital download artworks. Gold paint over it. Subscribing to my channel by clicking the red subscribe button, because I post art videos almost every single day, and I like to share my art techniques with my artist friends.